Designing garden beds. Utilize raised beds or keyhole gardens to maximize space and improve soil fertility. These designs facilitate easy access and efficient use of resources. Companion planting. Grow mutually beneficial plants together to enhance growth and deter pests. For example, planting marigolds alongside tomatoes can help repel harmful insects. Water management. Incorporate swales, ponds, and rain gardens to manage water flow, reduce erosion, and support diverse plant life. These features mimic natural water cycles and improve garden resilience. Soil health. Focus on building healthy, fertile soil through composting, mulching, and minimizing soil disturbance. Healthy soil supports robust plant growth and reduces the need for chemical inputs. By adopting these permaculture principles and practices, you can create a sustainable and productive garden that harmonizes with natural ecosystems, reduces environmental impact, and provides a diverse array of yields.